Hi guys! Today I wanted to introduce you to one of my most favorite snacks, green garbanzo beans, or Hara Choliya as it's called in Hindi, where Hara means green and Choliya means garbanzo beans. I love them. Look at me. I could go on and on with these. It's very addictive. If you start eating these, it's very difficult to put them down. I can really have the whole basket full, quite frankly. I can have it all. And check it out, I've even got my son addicted to them. Now, as you know, the goal with this channel is to promote healthy eating and to really bust the myth that healthy food can't be delicious. And this snack is just proof of that. It comes in these pods. Now, if you're already familiar with what green garbanzo beans are, then that's fantastic. And if you're eating them already, then more power to you. But if you're not familiar with them, then think of the green garbanzo beans as a younger brother of the chickpeas or the garbanzo beans that you use for making hummus or Punjabi chole, chana masala, and so on. They're in season late spring through summer, so right about now, and can be easily found in India, of course, but in the US you can easily find them in an Indian store or in Mexican stores where I've got mine from. Hey guys! By the way, have you heard of the blue zones? Well, the blue zones are these 5 zones that have been identified in the world, in a region in Japan, in Greece, in Italy, in Costa Rica, and there's one in Loma Linda in California where people live the longest. And not only do they live the longest, but they also are healthier than most people. So Dan Buettner, who amongst other things is a National Geographic fellow, decided to see what is it that these guys are doing and what is it that they're eating that makes them live so long. And amongst other things, it turned out that they're eating mostly a plant-based diet and a lot of beans. So beans are really good for you. They're packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals and are very low in calories. Now, when you cook with these, you basically use them as peas in your curries or salads or stir fries, but we're talking of them as a snack here. Now, if they're really fresh and tender and sweet, then you can just have them raw, as I am. Or my other favorite way is to char them with skin on. All you do is wash them well and then dry roast them in a pan for a minute or 2, using a lid or not, and they're ready to be devoured with a sprinkle of salt and black pepper. Or you can even steam them for a minute or 2. I like to eat them when I'm watching TV or watching a movie or just in general when I want a snack. You'd eat them just like peanuts or like edamame, which are young soybean that are similarly steamed or boiled and eaten with salt and pepper. So go and get them, guys. I have a feeling you'll be addicted to them, and that's a good addiction to have. So that's it for me. I hope you found this episode helpful. Till next time, take care and bye-bye.